Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add money to your OnePay account using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Add Money options. After that, choose the amount you want to add, then tap Continue. Now choose how you want to add money. You may see options like bank transfer, debit card. Select the option that works best for you and follow the instruction on the screen. Enter the amount and double check the amount to make sure it's credited, then tap Continue or Confirm. Review the details one last time, then tap Submit. You will see a confirmation message saying your money has been added successfully. And that's it. You have successfully added money to OnePay using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.